Hi, my name is Corinne and I live in Phoenix, Arizona. Living in Arizona has been really peaceful in contrast to the noise of LA. I really admire the landscapes here and overall just feel a lot closer to nature. As I was designing this home, I kept in mind that every time I woke up in the morning or I came home, I wanted to spark that feeling of like, wow. I mainly found inspiration in Scandinavian, minimal, and natural design, and then I kind of just like pick and chose my favorite moments of each of those styles and created my own. I'm very into feng shui, and so I really work to make everything have a flow and balance. I spent some time creating rough floor plans so I can map out where the large pieces of furniture are going to go and ensure that there's like a nice flow throughout the entire apartment. Every decor moment you'll see in our home is balanced with an accent, like the vases that I have on the dining table. I wanted height, so I paired it with something that would complement it well. I found that less is definitely always more. For me, my physical space definitely affects my mental space. So if my place is clear and organized, it definitely welcomes me to grow more, think more, and just be. I wanted a lighter rug just to have everything feel more airy and as a nice contrast to the heavy colors in the kitchen. My main tip for keeping a home with personality is to display items that speak to you personally. Those items for me were some of the religious quotes and the wedding photos that I incorporated into the collage. It was a great way for me to add personal character into my space. I'm a true believer in having some greenery in the house. It definitely brings in some livelihood and color in contrast to the overall very monochromatic theme that I have. So these poofs, I love these poofs. They're like art to me and they speak so much to my culture and character, and the brown colors just brought so much warmth into the space. I like that everything has a place. There's not a lot of the counters or clutter in the corners. Everything belongs somewhere. Over time, I can easily add new details or swap out items, but I like that I have a pretty clean canvas to work with. My balcony is my zen place. This is definitely where I spend the most amount of time. And because of that, I just wanted it to feel like I was walking into vacation every time I sat out here. I still wanted the outside space to be cohesive with the inside, so I incorporated a lot of the same tones and textures. For example, the black couch, the wicker rug, and black and white accents. Alone time is really important to me and I really cherish it, so I wanted to ensure that I had a space where I wanted to have that. I know this is a cliche, but home truly is where the heart is. It's where your heart feels its happiest, it's most comfortable and serene.